guys. Hello everyone. How you are doing? I hope you all are doing great. In case it's your first time visiting my channel, this is your girl Faithworld Project. Yes, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do me a favor by to subscribe, and please don't forget to turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a videos, you will be notified. So to all my returning subscribers, I want to say a big thank you to you all for your amazing love you guys have been showing me. You guys are so awesome for always be there for me. May God bless each and every one of you. And I want to use this opportunity to wish you all a happy, beautiful summer because it is summer again. So happy summer, guys. So in today's video, I will be preparing Delta Urhobo oil soup, which we call it in our dialect Ogulevi. Any Urhobo person will understand this soup with the name. It's called Ogulevi, which is oil soup, while the Edo people call it Owo. So that is what I will be preparing now. So I'm going to take you guys to the kitchen so that you will see how I will be preparing it one after the other, my ingredients. First of all, I want to introduce to you people. I'm going to use beef, which is goat meat, and this soup needs beef, which is goat meat, and snail. I'm going to be putting snail, and the crayfish. I'm going to grind the crayfish. I'm not going to use a lot of things because that is just how I want it. Maybe next time I'm going to use a lot of ingredients on it, and palm oil. So don't worry guys, I'm going to show you guys, so you have to come with me to the kitchen as I'm going there. Okay, so guys, these are the ingredients I will be using for this oil soup, which is the oglevi I talked about. So this is snail. I have washed it, as you can see. I have washed it. This is the snail. This is my stash. I'm going to be putting water on it. So I'm going to be using this stash. Then this is my dried fish, catfish. This is my dried catfish. This is my crayfish. I'm going to be blending it with this pepper, dry pepper. And this is my onions. And my goat meat, of course, I have boiled them already. So that is it. Why this is the stock water, the water that I used to boil the meat. So I'm using one Maggi cube, which is no. Then this is my potash, and my salt to taste. So guys, if you really want to watch this video to the end, stay tuned, okay? So guys, as you can see, these are my crayfish, onion, and my dry pepper. So I'm about to blend now. So this is it guys. As you can see, I have blend everything together. This is it. So this is my starch. This is how I'm going to mix it, and I'm going to pour it inside the pot. Inside the pot, as you can see, it's not thick. So normally this starch is going to make the soup look thick. I'm going to make it thick. So this is it. and I will keep stirring so that the salt the starch will not mud. Keep stirring it like this. This is my palm oil. My palm oil, as you can see. I'm going to be putting my palm oil right now inside the pot. Then I will stir it together like this. So guys, I'm going to be putting the pepper I just ground inside also. I will stir it together. And I'm going to be putting a little bit of water also. A little bit of water. I will stir it together again. So I'm going to be putting my snail. Put my snail, and I'm going to be putting Maggi. My Maggi cube, I'm going to be putting it. I will stir it together. I don't need to add salt for now because the water that I used to boil my meat, I have salt on it already. Because this soup, you don't need a lot of salt. So you have to be very careful while cooking it because of salt. So I'm going to cover it for some minutes. So this is my fish. I'm going to be putting it also. Then I will stir it together. Then I will not cover it for now. So as you can see guys, my oil soup, which is oglevi, is almost ready. So right now I'm going to put my meat now, my boiled meat. It's very simple and easy to cook. It's not hard at all. So a little bit of salt to taste now. Then I'm going to add my potash right now because this potash is very strong. So it's too strong. I can't break it. I'm going to be putting it inside. This is just the quantity I want for this soup. So this is it. I will continue to stir it together and stay close to the soup because of the potash. Because you all know the reaction of potash anytime you put potash inside the soup. So I'm going to stay close to the soup and keep stirring it. Yeah. So guys, just take a good look at my oil soup is coming up. My oil soup is coming up, guys. As you can see. So guys, normally some people used to put spinach. Even me too, I love putting spinach, but I don't have. So I have to make it just simple like this, okay? So in case you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, okay? And drop your comment on the comment section so that I will see your opinion about this soup, and tell me the type of soup you want me to cook next time, or the type of data soup you want me to prepare next time. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you guys in my next video. Bye.